Hey everyone, Vinny here with Vindustrial. Today in this video I'll be getting back into this 1933 homemade tenor guitar. When I got this guitar, it was in absolute terrible shape. The fingerboard was horrendous, needed to be removed, and if you want to watch some real entertainment, go watch that video I have up. Put a link down in the description for you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I installed the frets and the fret markers. And I'm also going to show you how I shape the back, drill, and install the side dot markers all in one step. So stick around. You know, sometimes in life you just got to start over. About 2 years ago, I inherited a guitar from my father, and it's an old 1930s Gibson classical guitar that needed a lot of work. I didn't want to bring it anywhere. I knew it was something I wanted to tackle myself. And from there, it just snowballed on me. YouTube opened my eyes to a whole new world of people doing this type of work. And the inspiration was crazy high. And so it got me starting this channel and doing this kind of work and really loving every minute of it. So here's my little jig that rolls the radius in the fret wire. And I got a pretty narrow fret wire here. I forget what it is, but I just need to get a little radius in it. See, now that would be a little bit too flat. That's almost perfect. So I'm just going to give it a slight overbend. I'm just going to clip the first inch off or so. Doesn't really get radiused. I got a little foam here that are numbered. I'm going to go and cut all these frets a little long. All the frets are installed, but they're long and they're sharp. So I'm going to trim these off and I'm going to file them down. I'm going to file them flush with the sides of the fingerboard, and then I'm going to put a little bevel on it with a file. this is how they look after you clean up just on the sides. It's all nice and flush. Now I just want to put a little bevel right on that upper corner. I think you see that bevel on there. So now I got the fingerboard almost done. Frets and markers are installed. I just have to prepare the back for gluing onto the neck, drill and install these side dot markers. I'm going to do all 3 steps at the same time. Here goes. I'll go help my buddy out, start drilling for the side dot markers. Well, those 2 guys are slaving away back there. I'm going to go ahead and get started gluing in these side dots. What's wrong with having a little fun on the job? Gotta love editing. Anyway, on that note, we're gonna end this video. But in the next video, we will be gluing this fingerboard down. I have to make a little nut, install the tuners, and string it up. So subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell icon, and you'll be notified as soon as that video comes out, and we can watch it together. Stick around.